Hey, eighth grade math. It's Mr. Hussey here with our first online learning session. Each day in class, just give you guys a heads up, each day in class we'll take some notes like we usually do. We'll go over some examples that are on those notes, and then you will have homework assigned, like a homework sheet like usual. So when you're all done, I'm going to have you take a picture of your notes that we did together, take a picture of your homework, and send them both to me for an assignment each day in math class. When we have quizzes and tests, those will be open book for now, or open notes for now. So hopefully that will help you on those. Go back and kind of see what to do there. So I'm about to go ahead and get started on the first lesson. Now, one of the challenges here is that I am going to post a document of each of these on Google Classroom. So you'll have a document of this posted, which is your notes, front and back. And then you'll have a document of your homework posted. So you can print those out and like work off them in pencil if you'd like to, but a lot of us, including myself, you may not have a printer or you may not want to print it. So there's a couple options for you. Most days I'm going to use a blank piece of paper and we're going to take our notes on that. So you can always use a blank piece of paper when you watch my video. I'm going to have you watch my video each day and take the notes as I take them. So you can do that on blank paper. You can do it on lined paper. You can do it on graph paper. Or if you have some way technologically that you can take my document that I send you and somehow write on top of that on a computer or iPad, or find out a way how to write on top of that and then send it back to me, that's an option too. So those are all options for you, but you're going to send the notes and the homework back to me each day that I assign it on Google Classroom. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with day one. Day one here, first day of our remote learning. We're going to look at the topic, the rate of change. Now, some of you guys might actually have this sheet with you. I may have passed this out the day before class was over. In school, the day before, we started meeting online, which would have been like last Friday. You may have actually received this, but let's assume you didn't, and we'll take out a sheet of white paper. All right, and we're going to take some notes here. Okay, so at the top, we're going to go ahead and put down, this is going to be, the topic for today is going to be rate of change. Okay, so this is on a separate sheet of white paper. You're going to watch my video and write this down like we're in class taking notes, rate of change. Okay. So the rate of change, we'll put a bullet point, is a ratio that shows how one variable changes with respect to another. On a linear graph, this is called the blank, which is going to be, we're going to fill in the word slope of the line. All right, now slope we did talk about in class. Slope also means the slant, or it means the rise over the run. All right, so on a linear graph, this is called the slope of the line. The slope means the slant or the rise over the run. Okay, now at any point, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause this, write it down, and then restart it. Okay, so that's the top part of the notes here. Okay, the next part, we have this part that says slope here. Slope is written as a ratio of the vertical change 1 second. I'm going to pause this.